Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Random.
What does the dictionary say?
Proceeding, made, or occurring without definite aim, reason, or pattern, the random selection of numbers. Statistics. Of or characterizing a process of selection in which each item of a set has an equal probability of being chosen.
Math rap.
Math and perfection aren't always in tandem, especially when dealing with things that are random. Not able to predict things that happen by chance, but math helps give us a range and a much better chance.
Math rap.
Why did the math sprinter predict the range of speed better than all the other sprinters? He outran them all. What are your random thoughts on the subject? List 5 things that are random in life. How could math help us know where the best place to catch fish on a lake is? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!